All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $214.09 with the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $15.02. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here. Real accurate. This is for the week of November 3rd to November 9th, or November 2nd to November 8th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So as I said, I'm going to be doing this every week. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. And also, please hit the like button. I'm trying to build my channel up. So if you like this video, I think this was a great haul heist here. Yeah, it was a big one. And this was one transaction, so I was happy about that. I didn't have to go to different stores. And let's get it right into, gosh, 15, 20 or so good deals here. Let's start with the sponsor of this haul, the Tena pads. Yes, once again, I mean, if you watch my videos, you know I get these things all the time because, I mean, basically you're getting paid, and this was no difference. This was a great one here. I got 8 of them. You can see kind of the old packaging out for me today. So yeah, $5.99 for these, for 8 of them with the tax. Comes to $51.51. But they are on sale this week, so that's good. On sale for $2 off, so $3.99 each. $3.99 times 8 plus the tax comes to $34.31. And I used 8 of these. Manufacturer printable. Now it's 2 per device. So yes, it was some work finding 4 devices to print these up. Actually, I had one prior that was on there, so I had to find 3 different devices, but I did it. And so I used 8 of these $2 off manufacturer printable coupons. I took $16 off, and then the store coupon which expires tomorrow. Today's Thursday, the first day of the sale, and where I live, anyways. But it expires tomorrow, Friday, November 4th, and it's $5 off of any 2. So I used 4 of those. That took $20 off. So you see where I'm going here. And then there's an Activate reward. As you know, it's 4 per household, so I've pretty much reached my max. I have another property and another property, so I'm kind of masking out to those ones. So yes, you get $10 back on that. Obviously I haven't gotten that back. I'm going to submit my receipt because it's $31.92 before tax, so it's over that $30 threshold. You get $10 in a Publix gift card. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks. I've gotten plenty of them. So yeah, so that was another $10 to the good. Coupons.com has $2 rebate. So all said and done for these 8 Tena pads was a $13.69 overage. Yeah, so I couldn't miss out. You know, maybe I'll be back and get some more. Dannon Light and Fit yogurt. I had another digital on that. If you haven't used yours, use them because they're $1.50, and type your phone number in and you get a free, as long as you got it clipped. As I said before, I got all my digital coupons clipped, all my Ibotta rebates clipped. So that was $1.50, so it was free for that. Infinite Advil, I did this in the last video, and this is a digital coupon. So a regular price for this is $5.39. Digital coupon is $3 off, and the store coupon is $2 off. Once again, that expires tomorrow, so get on that, making that only 39 cents for that. I know I'm speaking kind of fast, but I got a detailed breakdown and links to print all the coupons right below this video. Just hit that more button, and it kind of opens up all the details for this giant heist here. All right, Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Once again, this deal goes out tomorrow, Friday. So get on it, because the regular price for these are $4.31 each for 5 of them with the tax, $23.16. I got 5 of them. And they're on sale for $2.50 each. So for 5 of them with tax is $13.44. Ibotta has $2 back, a limit of 5. So I maxed out there, and I got all 5 of them, making that only $3.44 for 5 of those 5 toothpaste there. Cinnamon Toast, Cinnadust. I did this deal before, and it came back this month in swag bucks. A little better this time. It's 500 swag buck points, so it's $5. Regular price for these are $3.25 each, so it comes to $6.50. No tax here in Florida, so $6.50 for those, and 500 swag buck points. Swag bucks is kind of like a Bada or Checkout 51. You know, you kind of get points. Every 100 points is $1. So basically, 500 points goes about $5. You got to get up over $20 to cash out. You know, you can get a Walmart gift card, you can get a Visa gift card, whatever. But this was 500 points, so it's $5 from swag bucks. I got back, and Checkout 51 has 71 cents off each one, so that's another $1.42, as well as there's a Publix digital coupon now that takes $1 off, so making those to cinnadust a 92-cent overage. Always discreet pads, and oh man, if you watch my channel, you know I like this deal, and it usually comes out beginning of the month. Regular price $5.99 for these. They were on sale last week for $3.99, so I grabbed a couple of them. But you know, that's when you want to do it. So hopefully they'll go on sale again for $2. But $5.99 regular price for two of them, $12.88. Use this from the PG of November, which came out Sunday, October 30th newspaper. I take $5 off, and there's a Publix digital coupon that also takes $5 off. You can kind of stack those, it works, you know. And that 6, 10, 5 and 5 is 10, and then $2.40 from stocking spree back, so that makes it only 48 cents. And as always, I was working up to something. Where is it? Oh yeah, the gas card. In my region, in my area, there is the gas card with that lookup number. But since it $50, I was well over 100, so I got 2 gas cards. Now, I think you should buy this because you're going to use $50 worth of gas. Unless you have electric. I have an electric car, but I'm still going to give it away as a gift, or I have another car, so I'll use it. It expires 2029, so at some point I'll need gas, and everybody needs. I mean, you're going to spend over 50, you should at least get $10 off your gas card. So I think, but if you don't want to buy a gas card, all right, you don't need. Where am I? Let's see. All right, keep going. Let's see. Kellogg Special K bars. These are they're the pastry crisps. Pastry crisps. The regular price is $3.09 for 4 of them. Would cost me $12.36. However, they're BOGO, so I got 4 of them for $6.18. And there is a Publix digital coupon that $5 off of 3 Kellogg's products, so it worked. Took $5 off. Also, if you get the strawberry, there's an Ibotta rebate for like Special K cereal. You know, good things happen when you have all your Ibotta rebates clipped and you line all those edges up, and it automatically finds some for. So that took 50 more cents off, so I was happy about that, making them only 68 cents for 3 of them. Now, if you're in half BOGO land, which is like Georgia, I guess any state but Florida, you will we'll buy 3 of these, and I didn't do the math on that, I'm sorry, but it's a better deal. Well, yeah, it'll be a better deal. Make sure you get one of those strawberry ones. Works for me, so I can't promise that it'll work for you, but it worked for me. All right, Wonder Bread. So I got these. These are BOGO, you know, bread's on BOGO, and then there's a Ibotta rebate for 20 cents and 20 cents. I figured, you know, I'm got so much playing with the house money here, because I got those and $20 to the good here, or $15, you know. So I'm getting the bread for, I mean, sure, you could go to a bakery and get bread a lot cheaper, but $3.35 for these each, so that's $6.70. However, BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $3.35, and as I mentioned, there's an Ibotta rebate for 20 cents and 20 cents. So that makes the 2 loaves of breads $2.95 total for 2 loaves. So not bad, dollar less than $1.50 each. All right, Garden of Eating chips. Garden of Eating chips. All right, not the best deal here, but playing with. I knew I was gonna have such an overage, so I figured I'd stack up on some of these. Regular price for these guys are $5.49 each. So that is 4 bags. That would cost $21.96. They're BOGO, so 4 bags cost $10.98. And I got the link to print this below, as well as a detailed breakdown, as I mentioned. It's $2.50 off 2 bags. So these two of them. Hey, there it is. There's the blue chips. And actually, there's only 4 of them, so I got them all. So that would come to $5.98. Not the best deal, $5.98 for 4 bags of chips. But as I said, I was going for that overage and the moneymaker. I had such a big moneymaker, I didn't really care. All right, let's keep going. Morningstar Farms. These are BOGO this week. They're $4.99. It's a regular price. 2 of them will be $9.98. However, as I mentioned, they're BOGO. You get 2 of them for $4.99. There is a manufacturer printable for $1 off. So use 2 of those. $1 off and $1 off. There's a bottle rebate for a bigger one, but they're not on BOGO. I was trying to get that going, but the $1 off and the $1 is $2 more off, costing you $2.99 for these. And all this helps you build up to your gas card. And when you're getting so much stuff like this, it's just kind of easier. The cashier kind of starts throwing coupons through, so that helps. And I'll get to that in a minute, because the Chobani oat milk, I got 2 different ones here. You should try to get the ones that expire like the latest. So Chobani oat milk's $4.99 for these guys. 2 of them would be $9.98. However, they are BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $4.99. There is a manufacturer coupon for $1 off in the Smart Source October 30th. So I used 2 of these. I think it might even say limit of one coupon per person. I guess if you had 2 people there, you could. But they didn't even look. They were just scanning everything. They knew I was like just so much stuff and so many coupons. So, and then Chico 51 has $1 back for those. So 2 of those Chobani oat milk come to $1.99 for both, so, or 99 cents each. Keep going. Kite Hill. I thought it was Kite Hill. Kite Hill. Kite Hill sour cream. This is a good one. These are $3.79. So for 2 of them, we $7.58. However, they're BOGO. You get 2 of them for. I do have 2 of them. 2 of them for $3.58 there, and there is a manufacturer printable coupon right there for $2 off. Kite Hill almond milk product. Let's see. Almond and coconut based. There you go, bro. So there you go. I used 2 of those and made that a 21-cent overage. I got the link to print that below. So made that, as I mentioned, 21-cent overage. Oh, our Carbona deal, man. Can't forget about you guys. All right, $5.89 for the yellow one, $5.69 for the Oxy, the red one. And oh man, I don't have the hang tag to show you, but I definitely used them. Those are $6.12 and $6.33 when you factor the tax. However, you know, they're BOGO, so you buy, you pay the higher price, obviously. So you pay $6.33 for both of these. There's a bottle rebate for $1 off and $1 off. However, $2 off a bottle rebate comes off if you have all your bottle rebates pre-selected, or at least all your Carbona bottle rebates pre-selected. To $2 comes off. $1 came off for the other one. Actually, I think the color grabbers came off, and I had to take that off and put this on, and boom, it worked. So that came off, and that was, let's see, and as I mentioned, I had a hang tag for $1 off and $1 off. If you watch my videos, you've seen what the hang tag looks like. It basically hangs from the product. It looks just like this, but it will say $1 off. So look for those. And so $6.33 spent for both of them, $1 off and $1 off from the hang tags, $2 off from Carbona, and $1 off from Carbona made that $1.33 for both of those cleaners, and helps you build up to your gas card or gas cards. You don't have to break up the transaction. I was able to buy 2 of them in the one transaction because I was over 100. So it's every 50 you spend, and you get 3 of them. I think I've gotten 3 of them before. All right, Suave deodorant. These are a great deal, man. These are $1.91 BOGO. So basically the price would be $4.11, but they're $2.06, $2.05 for both of them. And if you sign up for the Unilever deal, I had $1.50 off of any 2 Suave products. So that took $1.50 off. So, and then there is an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents off, 50 cents off, and an Ibotta bonus for 50 cents. However, as I mentioned, I got all the Ibotta rebates clipped. It took $1.50 off and $1.50 off for some other Suave product. I wasn't going to argue. And as always, a 50-cent bonus also came off, so made those 2 deodorants a $2.95 overage. All right, Febreeze small spaces. So these are regular price, what, $3.59. So for 6 of them, you had to buy 6. Or at least I did, because I'm in true BOGO, would cost $23.16 when you factor the tax. However, they're on sale. Every 3 that you buy, you get $3 off, so it makes sense to buy 6, so you can get $6 off, making them basically $2.59 each. So times 6, factor the tax, is $16.71. I use 2 of these buy 1 get 1 free coupons from the PG of November. So that take some, depends how they put it in, but I think it says max of $3.30, so it took $3.30 off and $3.30 off because I used 2 of them. And then there's a Publix digital coupon for $3.30 off of 2, and for some reason 2 of them came off. I think it was for another Febreeze product, but both of those digitals came off, so that was good. So let's see, $16.17 spent, $16.71 spent for those, $6.60 from the paper coupons, $6.60 from the digital coupons, because 2 and 2. That made that $3.51 for all those. And then finally we have our Febreeze warmer. It says just plug on there. I wanted to get more. I only found 1 of them, but I will be back definitely. So this is about as easy of a deal as you can get. So it's regular price $3.49 with tax $3.59, and there's just right next to that coupon, right below it or above it, is just get 1 Febreeze plus free. I mean, come on, who's not gonna want that coupon? So that took $3.49 off, making that guy only 26 cents, basically the tax. So it's $3.75 when you factor the tax for that guy. Not $3.59, $3.75 for that. So hopefully I can get some more of those. And once again, yeah, I got another 20 off. I got 2 gas cards, so I got 20 off and 20 off. You know, basically they paid me my $15 in gas, which I'm not going to complain. If I did not do any of the gas card deal, I'd have like a $5 overage. But, or not a $5 overage, I'd pay $5, but I knew I wouldn't have bought some of the stuff I got. Regardless, $214 plus worth of stuff here, had overage of $15 plus. Once again, subscribe to this funny looking guy right here, and check out my other paid to shop videos. Well, there's also a, gosh, Fetch had $30 or $20, 20,000 points, which is equivalent to $20 if you spend $30 in hair care products at the grocery store. I was buying these Love shampoos on the 28th, which was, I think, Saturday or something like that, or Friday or Saturday, and bam, I was buying them all. They were like nothing, and I'm getting $30 back in Fetch rewards. So look for that, and I wish I could give you a deal. I already used mine, so I didn't even really worry about that. All right, once again, everybody enjoy their couponing. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.